Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So today I'm doing my Christmas unboxing that Miss Drea sent me here on YouTube. If you don't know who I'm talking about, this is my very, very good friend here on YouTube. She's basically my best friend here on YouTube. You guys know I have two of them, Miss Lisa and Miss Drea. I did unbox Lisa's Christmas gift to me on my Insta stories, and today I am unboxing the one that Drea sent me. So I have it here today. I have not opened anything up at all. I could see lashes already. I had asked you guys if you guys wanted to see it on Insta stories or here on my YouTube channel, and the majority did say to do it on Insta stories, but because Miss Drea did unbox what I got her on camera, I thought I would do the same so she can see my expression, my surprise, everything, my reaction basically to what she got me. So if you're interested, go grab yourself something to drink, a glass of wine, some coffee, relax, sit back and enjoy this unboxing. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the familia. My name is Alex. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a dash of Project Pan. If that is something that interests you, subscribe, join us. And now without further ado, let's get on with my Christmas gifts. Drea did get me a card. It was actually pretty funny because when I gave her her gifts, I did like the 12 gifts of Christmas. I did that for both Lisa and for Drea, where I kind of did like a little rhyme or riddle so they could kind of get an idea of what I got them. She said that she wasn't as cool as me. That is perfectly fine. You do not have to go that way. I just had a little extra time. So we're going to start off with the first thing that I see here, and that is the Kiss Blowout Lashes in Beehive. Now, I absolutely love Kiss lashes. If you see my videos back 2-3 years ago, I rave about the number 11s. They're still my favorite. I think I still have some in here somewhere. I use them all the time. I love them. So Kiss lashes have really won me over, even over Ardell. So I love these. These I could definitely get use out of, and you guys know I absolutely love wearing lashes, especially on camera, because it's my fun time to do what I want. Now let's see the next one. Ooh, I got a BH Cosmetics Perfecting Sponge. I could absolutely use these. Right now I'm using my last two. Lisa just got me one for Christmas, and this is the second one, so I love trying sponges out, especially if for me, it's like a hassle having to go out and buy a sponge. So when I get one gifted, it's so much better for me. Ooh, so I see a little mesh with some goodies in here. I see a Dior Rouge, Double Rouge. I know she had mentioned to me if I wanted to try this one out, so I told her yes. You guys know I am on a no lip buy, so whenever I get things like this, I get so excited because I get to try new things without having to go out and, you know, ruin my no buy for it. The other one was this, and I remember her telling me this. This is the Alamar lip gloss in Coqueta. Look at that color. I'm trying not to swatch, you guys, because this will take forever, to be honest with you. So I'll swatch here and there. But these are the two lip products in here, as well as this Clarins. Ooh, Mascara Super Volume. Never tried that, so we're going to see that. I'm going to put it on my list to try on, because you guys know I have a lot of mascaras. Here's another one, Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara. So we're going to try this one out, too. Never even heard of this one. Very interesting. I love getting deluxe sample size mascaras. It just makes me, oh, look at this. Squirrel. This is the Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Blush. Oh, yay. Oh, this is so exciting. It's in Mauve Sunrise. So let's see. I've heard about these and I wanted one, but I wasn't going to get it. Oh, look how cute this thing is. Oh, look at that color. Yes. I'm going to try this one out. Ooh, that is such a pretty shade. I could see myself getting use out of this. Oh, that is so pretty. Ooh, yay. And it's perfect. Look, I could pan this sucker and I'll be fine because it's not huge. This is how blushes should be, because Lord knows I suck at panning blushes. Next thing I see here is Kathleen Light's ColourPop Loose Pigment in the Crab. Oh, she talks about this one all the time. All the time. Let me get my, oh, here it is. I have seen her do looks with this one. Ooh, I'm a sucker for, oh, look at that. It is so pretty. Oh, I love this. And now I know that you have to wet these for a better effect. Oh, I can see that shift in there. This is beautiful. Oh, yay. Oh, that is awesome, because I wanted the pigments, but I talked myself completely out of it. So I'm very excited I got this one. Thank you. So I see this here. Isn't it cute? He's cute. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't want to ruin it with my thing, but look at this. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. I could have used this in New York when I went. Oh, because it was cold and I could have used something for my ears. This is absolutely stunning. Thank you. I love things like this. Oh, and the detail is so pretty. I love this. Thank you. Next is this. Oh, no way. Look at this. This is from ColourPop. This is the fairest of them all. Oh my goodness. I have heard about these. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, that is absolutely beautiful. I have heard about these. Let's swatch a little bit of it. Oh, it's like the Super Shock. Whoa. Oh, that is stunning. I can see that. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. I actually was talking to her that I wanted them and she told me not to. She's like, hold off until they're on sale. And then I never actually ended up getting any. This is beautiful and the packaging is really, really pretty. So we have this one next. No way. Oh, you know, this was on sale and I was tempted, but I didn't. This is the Tarte Chrome for the holidays. Yes. Oh, look at these colors. Oh, yes. And these are perfect. You guys know I'm such a fan of this. That Pink Diamonds looks amazing. Wild at Heart, Frosé, and then Citrine. Oh, those are absolutely beautiful. And these are the perfect size for me. You don't need full size. At least I know I don't need full size. Oh, that Pink Hearts is calling, or Pink Diamonds is calling my name big time. Oh, look at these, you guys. I love these. This is the Quo highlighting brush. Oh, that is so neat. I think Lisa sent me Quo brushes that I love. It was like a set, and I love them. This is the large concealer brush, so I've never tried the individual ones to see if they're any different from the sets. And then this was the ultra fine eyeliner brush. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, these are really nice, and I like how they package these. These are very nice. Quo is a brand that I have been loving every year more and more. Holy crap, this is a lot. This is the Stila All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Patina Shimmer. Ooh, oh, look at that. I would have never. Oh, that is pretty. And it actually doesn't look super shimmery either. That actually doesn't look super shimmery. I thought it was going to look more metallic-y. That's very, very pretty. I wonder, it is a liquid lipstick. Oh, and it probably won't make my lips look super dry because of the shimmer in it. That is very, very pretty. It's a lot darker than I would have thought looking at the actual packaging. She has loved this, and I was tempted. Ulta 21 Days of Beauty at one point or another had this half off. And let me tell you, I tried and I wanted it and I wanted it and I told myself, no, don't do it, don't do it. Drea raves about this. And because of her, I got interested and I told myself no. I was so close to buying this. Oh, I think it was during the summer. Oh my gosh. And I think Temptalia put this as one of her top favorites of the year. And that even, I was like, oh, I should have gotten it. But I'm so happy. Look at this. And he's so cute and he has a Canada. Look at that. Oh, these are so cute. I never would have thought like to get wrapping with different, maybe that should be something that wrapping companies should do more of. Look. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Oh, look at the beauty of this. Oh my gosh. I love that blue is calling my name. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I've never tried this formula from Tarte. Look, you know how I've been talking about Tarte, and this is something I wish Tarte would do more of. This is not your typical browns and warm tones. This is neat. I like this a lot. No way. Oh, yay. Look at this. This is the Japanesque powder Kumadori collection. I don't know how to say that, but oh, there it is. Midori. Isn't that beautiful? It's like she got me a Quo one. She had gotten me the one from Quo that looked like this. So this, I actually been eyeing these. I love Japanese, and they are no longer at Ulta, so I don't know where to get these anymore. So that's awesome that she found this. I love brushes. I have a secret, I have this secret thing with brushes, but I've been really good at not buying any recently because I have so many, but I love brushes. Let's see what little Moose has here. Oh my goodness. You know what? Funny story is I purchased this for Lisa for Christmas because she asked for a BH one and I knew Drea loved this one. So I went and bought this one for Lisa. Never bought it for myself. I told her I didn't know how it was. She loves it too. So now Lisa, both Drea have one and now I have one. And each of us like spread our love around. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Drea raves about this one, so I know I'm going to love this one. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to have to swatch this Luau. Oh, look at that shade. Oh, that is perfect for right now. Paradise. Oh my gosh. The mattes in this are ridiculous. She is so right. Wow. Look at that. I would have never expected that. Luau color is awesome. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And a few of you had told me to get the cool tone one of this one. And I never actually picked it up. But I heard that the cool tone one of this one is really, really pretty. I forget what it was called, but it has like grays and blues in it. Very, very pretty. So now I am part of the cool club because now I have it too. Yay! Pull this one out. Holy moly. You guys, I have wanted to try this brand and I have held off because I'm trying to be really good. This is from Kaleidos. Kaleidos. This is the Cyber Bronze one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. What have you done, Drea? Because now I'm going to be addicted and I'm going to want them all because my collector impulse is going to jump in. You're going to have to help me because now I have a feeling I'm going to fall in love and I'm going to want every one of these. Crap. It's like I normally am the one that buys Drea and Lisa the indie brand stuff. So this just excites me that knowing that they're also loving the indie brand stuff because I love indie brands. See what this is. No way. No way. Oh my gosh, you guys. No way. And the colors are so pretty. Look at that. I don't want to touch it either. See, that's me. Oh, this is so pretty. And I'm doing those eyeshadows. I just want to use them all. I'm going to have to incorporate all of these with my those shadows because I want to try these out. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Never would I have expected that. Thank you so much. And then the best part, you guys, look. You see all that candy? Oh my gosh, I love these. I love these. These are one of my favorites. The kids absolutely love these. And Mr. Man likes these. You know what I did last year is I kept all these in here so nobody would take them. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I am so happy with everything. Like everything I definitely can get use out of. And I love the fact that there was a little bit of everything. It wasn't just like a lot of eyeshadow palettes or blushes. You did so good, Drea. Thank you so much. Like seriously, I love when Drea and Lisa buy me lashes because they really have great taste. And these, like, this I would have never in a million years. Like, I know you loved it and I didn't expect, like, I'm just like, I don't know what to do with myself. I want to take off my makeup and just play. Thank you so much, Drea. I'm just like speechless right now. I don't know what to do with myself. Lisa and Drea have been amazing and I couldn't ask for better people in my life. So even though I have never met them, I feel like I've known them for so long and they're like, you know, living across the street. I could just go visit them. I wish if only that could be possible. So thank you so much, Drea. I really do appreciate your friendship. You're just lending ear whenever I just text you and need to vent or just to say hi. She's really such a sweet person and what you see on camera is what you get and I love that about her. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll link more videos right over here for your enjoyment. Until then, bye guys.